Hello, hello, and welcome back to the English Flow podcast, your safe, friendly place to learn real English in simple, clear steps. My name is Sam, and I'm so happy you're here today. Truly, well done for pressing play.
Hi everyone, I'm Ella, and I'm excited to join you today. If this is your first time listening, welcome to the family. If you're a regular listener, thank you so much for coming back. We appreciate your time, your energy, and your motivation. You're doing great.
Today, we're talking about one of the most useful topics for beginner English learners: how to talk about the things you like to do. Your hobbies, your free time activities, your daily routines, the little things that make your life special.
Exactly. Things like, I like to read. I like to play football. I like to cook. I like to relax. Simple sentences, but very powerful. Because when you can talk about what you enjoy, you can start real conversations with real people.
And that's what we want, for you to feel confident when you speak, for you to feel comfortable expressing yourself, even with small sentences. That's how fluency starts.
Before we begin, one quick favor. Please like, follow, and subscribe to this podcast. It helps us create more free lessons for learners all around the world.
Thank you. All right, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Okay, Ella, let's warm up. What do you like to do in your free time?
Good question. I like to listen to music. Music makes me happy. I also like to read books in the evening. It helps me relax before bed.
Nice. I like to cook. Cooking is fun for me. I love trying new recipes. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they are not so good, but I still enjoy it.
I know that feeling. And listeners, what about you? Think quietly. What do you like to do?
Think of one or two things. Hold them in your mind. Great! You're ready for the next part.
The first phrase you need today is very simple. I like to plus activity.
Let's say it slowly. I like to. Perfect. Here are some examples. I like to read. I like to study English. I like to take a walk. I like to relax on weekends.
Repeat after me. I like to. Great job.
Now try adding an activity. I like to cook. I like to sleep. I like to drink tea. My go-to breakfast is a banana, so I like to eat fruit in the morning.
Nice example. Now it's your turn. Say one sentence about yourself. I like to.
Excellent. Even if you only whispered it, well done. Sometimes you like something very much. Then you can say, I love to.
For example, I love to drink coffee. I love to watch movies. I love to learn new things. I love to travel in summer.
Let's repeat softly. I love to. Nice and smooth.
Let's try something fun. I love to learn English with this podcast. We hope that's true.
If it is, then you are awesome. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax and cook something nice. What about you?
I like to watch movies and clean my room. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax and cook something nice. What about you?
I like to watch movies and clean my room. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax and cook something nice. What about you?
I like to watch movies and clean my room. Let's learn a bigger list of activities. Listen first.
Cook, read, study English, relax, sleep, clean, play football, play games, draw, sing, dance, watch TV, play music, take a walk, go to the gym, talk with friends, exercise, bake, shop, travel, paint, drink tea, drink coffee.
Now we turn them into full sentences. I like to cook dinner. I like to read before bed. I like to study English in the morning. I like to relax after work. I like to play football with friends. I like to dance when I hear music. I like to play the guitar. I like to walk in the park. I like to drink coffee at night. Not always a good idea. I like to sleep on Sundays.
Repeat 2 or 3 of your favorites. Go ahead.
Nice! To make your sentences richer, you can add small details. I like to when. I like to where. I like to with who.
Examples. I like to read in the morning. I like to cook at home. I like to walk in the park. I like to talk with friends after work. I like to relax on weekends. I like to study English before bed.
Let's practice. I'll ask you, what do you like to do in the morning? Nice.
Now, where do you like to relax? Good job!
Here's the longer conversation. Just listen.
Hey Sam, what do you like to do after work?
After work, I like to take a walk. Walking helps me relax. Sometimes I listen to music too. What about you?
I like to exercise in the evening. I do a small workout at home. And after that, I like to cook dinner.
That sounds healthy. Do you cook every day?
Not every day, maybe 4 times a week. I love cooking, but sometimes I'm tired.
I understand. Some days I don't cook either. I just make tea and rest. What do you like to do after work? Your turn. I like to take a walk. Your turn. I like to exercise in the evening. Your turn. I just make tea and rest. Your turn. To sound more natural and share more about your activities, you also need words that show frequency, how often you do something. These are simple but very useful.
Here are the basic ones. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never.
Let's put them into sentences using our topic. I always listen to music in the morning. I usually cook dinner at home. I often watch movies on weekends. I sometimes play games with friends. I rarely drink soda. I never drink coffee at night.
Your turn. Say one sentence with sometimes. Go ahead. Great. Now one sentence with always. Perfect. You're doing so well.
You know how to say what you like to do. Now let's learn how to ask someone else. The question form is, do you like to do activity?
Examples. Do you like to cook? Do you like to watch TV? Do you like to read books? Do you like to take a walk? Do you like to play football?
And here are some answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I like to cook. No, I don't like to exercise.
Let's practice. I'll ask you some questions. Just answer out loud. Do you like to read? Do you like to study English? Do you like to wake up early? Nice job!
Even if you said only one word, well done. Okay, listeners, let's play a fun game called This or That. You choose one of the two options. It helps build fluency.
Ready? Here we go. Tea or coffee? Morning or evening? Movies or music? Walking or running? Reading or cooking?
Nice. This helps you think in English quickly. Great work. All right, I'll tell you a short story about myself. Just listen. No speaking yet. My name is Sam. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. In the morning, I like to drink tea and listen to music. After work, I like to take a walk in the park near my home. On weekends, I love to cook new recipes. My favorite thing to do is take photos of the sunset. But I don't like to wake up early on Sundays.
Let's check your understanding. Answer out loud. What does Sam like to drink in the morning? What does he like to do after work? What does Sam love to do on weekends? What is his favorite activity? What does he not like to do on Sundays?
Answers. He likes to drink tea. He likes to take a walk in the park. He loves to cook new recipes. His favorite activity is taking photos of the sunset. He doesn't like to wake up early on Sundays.
How many did you get right? Whatever the number, you did great. Let's work on some slow, clear pronunciation. Repeat after me. I like to read. I like to travel. I like to take a walk. I like to drink. I like to drink coffee. I love to relax. I love to learn English.
Now, try these negative sentences. I don't like to wake up early. I don't like to run. I don't like to clean my room. I don't like to wait in long lines. Let's practice giving longer answers. Start with, I like to, then add when, where, or who with.
Example, I like to read in the morning. I like to drink tea at home. I like to walk with my friend.
Now you try. Say, I like to, in the. Good. Say, I like to, at. Nice. Say, I like to, with. You're doing wonderfully.
Okay, let's listen to another small conversation. This one is a little longer, but still simple. Just relax, listen, and enjoy the story.
Here we go.
On Saturday morning, I wake up at 8 a.m. I make a cup of tea. I sit on my balcony because I like fresh air. After breakfast, I listen to music. I really like soft piano music.
In the afternoon, I meet my friend at a small cafe. We talk about work and life. We laugh a lot because my friend is very funny. After the cafe, we walk in the park. I love walking. It helps me relax.
In the evening, I cook dinner. I like simple food. My go-to dinner is pasta with tomatoes. After dinner, I watch a movie. I love romantic movies. They make me smile.
That's Ella's simple weekend. Nice, right?
Let's repeat some sentences from the story. I'll say it slowly. You repeat after me. I wake up at 8 a.m. I like fresh air. I listen to music. We walk in the park. I cook dinner. I watch a movie.
Great job. Really, you're doing amazing. Slow and steady is the best way to learn.
Let's grow your vocabulary. Here are some simple verbs you can use to talk about what you like to do. Daily activity verbs. Wake up. Get up. Cook. Read. Walk. Listen. Watch. Relax. Learn. Talk.
And here are some hobbies. Hobby verbs. Play soccer. Play video games. Draw. Dance. Sing. Swim. Travel. Take photos. Go shopping. Go to the gym.
Don't worry about big grammar rules. Just remember this simple structure. I like plus verb plus ing. I like reading. I like cooking. I like walking. I like to plus base verb. I like to read. I like to cook. I like to walk.
Both are correct. Both sound natural. Use the one you like more. Let's practice a short, simple conversation again. Imagine you're speaking with a new friend. Sample conversation. Hey, what do you like to do in your free time? I like to draw. What about you? I like playing football. That's cool. See? Short, easy, clear.
Let's listen to another version of the conversation to help your listening brain grow.
What do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy cooking dinner at home.
Oh, nice. I enjoy watching movies.
What type of movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy funny movies.
Great job listening.
Let's talk about things you don't enjoy. Simple structure. I don't like plus verb ing, or I don't like to plus verb. Examples. I don't like cooking at night. I don't like to wake up early. I don't like washing dishes. I don't like running.
Let's try it in a conversation.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I like reading at night.
Oh, nice. I don't like reading at night. I get sleepy.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't, but I like eating. Let's review. Here are the key phrases from today's lesson. I like to, I enjoy, I don't like, in my free time, during the weekend, my hobby is, I love, I prefer.
You can create many sentences with these. Small steps create big results.
Listen to this final short story. I like cooking on Sundays. I make pancakes and tea. After breakfast, I listen to music. I enjoy relaxing at home. I don't like going out when the weather is bad. In the evening, I watch a movie with my family.
Now you tell it in your own way later. Good practice for memory.
Great job today. Seriously, you did amazing work. You listened, you repeated, you learned, and you practiced speaking.
Remember, learning English is like walking. One small step every day makes a big difference. And you just took a very good step.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the podcast. We love helping you learn.
Before you go, here's our question for you. When do you wake up? Tell us in the comments.
We can't wait to read your answers. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.